This video is going to show you how to make easy, no crust zucchini pie. So first you need 3 medium-sized zucchinis cut in pieces, just like this, about that thin. You take the peeling off the zucchini, slice them up in the bowl. You need a cup of crushed walnuts. This is a cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon in it and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we mix all that together. You need 3/4 cup of melted butter. All I did was put a stick of margarine in a coffee cup in 30 seconds in the microwave, melted it. 1 egg and a cup of flour and a cup of regular sugar and a dash of salt. So first we're going to take our cinnamon sugar mixture, dump it on our zucchini, mix it all up so the sugar is coated on the zucchini. All you gotta do is stir it up. I have a casserole dish that I sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Once you get the zucchini stirred up and have all the cinnamon sugar on it, then in another bowl we are going to put our melted margarine, which is 3/4 cup, 1 egg, one cup of flour, and 1 cup of sugar, and we have crushed walnuts, a 1/2 cup of walnuts. And we mix all that together. This is our egg, our margarine, our flour, our sugar, and our walnuts. Mix all that together, and then we're going to dump it on top of the zucchini. Bake it in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. And this is what you call no crust zucchini pie. Once you get all this mixed up together, then we're going to put it on top of our zucchini and bake it. I usually bake it for 1 hour. Once you get all this stirred up together, then we just put it on top of our zucchini that's already in our pre-greased casserole dish. I sprayed it with non-stick cooking spray. And you want a little dash of salt just on top before you put that on. So now you just put this layer on a little bit at a time, and then we'll spread it out and put it in to bake. Once you get the mixture on top of your zucchini, then just spread it out with a knife. Try to just cover all the zucchini. With your mixture. Once it's all covered, then we will put it in the oven on 350 for 1 hour. Let it bake all the way through so your zucchini are soft like they would be with an apple pie. You know how your apples get soft after they bake? We want our zucchinis to be soft too. So we're going to put it in the oven for an hour and let it bake. This is our no crust zucchini pie. The zucchini pie was in the oven for an hour. It is now golden brown and ready to eat. Might want to wait about 10 minutes after it comes out of the oven before you eat it, because it is scalding. You just cut it. Take some out. Just going to show you what it looks like. See how it has layers of zucchini there, just like you would if you made apple pie. But this is made out of zucchini. Put it on the plate, show you what the zucchini looks like. And there is your zucchini pie. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your zucchini pie. Have a good day.